All right, I would like to show you how to download and install Office on your device. So if you have a home device and you don't have Office products installed on it, because you were a student or a faculty member in Buffalo, you can absolutely install Office on your device. So you're going to go to office.com. That's really where you need to start. I'm already signed in. If you aren't already signed in, you're going to have to go through that process first. Okay, over here, you can see these are all of the apps that I have access to that I can easily get to. I can also click here and access my apps that way. All right, but here is where you need to see. Look at this. You see this? Install Office. And right here, it says Office 365 apps. So that's Outlook, OneDrive, plus Word, Excel, PowerPoint, okay, and more. So you're going to click this, Install Office, and then choose Office 365 apps. Okay, it's going to start. You see below me right here, it is going to start and start the download right here. Okay, so, and it's going to tell me what I need to do. I need to click Office Setup, click yes. I have to stay online so that I can start Office and sign in. You see, for me, it tells me that I have to sign in using my email address. You would log in using your own email address, but this is literally amazing. So if you do not have Office installed on your personal device and you are a student or a faculty member, staff member at Buffalo Public Schools, get on it, do it. All right.